Here we go. Absolutely remarkable. I mean, I can't get over the fact, if you come up close, Stella, how these oxides react, and you get the most incredible metallics that come through, you know, and coppers and golds and brasses. Have a look at all of these others. This is in the shade, but let's just pull it over into the sun so you can get a feel of the iridescence. There you go. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is the wool that we put in the inside to cushion it. This is how it takes on the synthetic wool, or the polar fleece or polyfleece. Here's another piece over here that just came out. Let's just pull it into the sun. Oh, that is gorgeous. Honestly, I don't think there's any other technique where you can get this metallic reaction onto the fiber with such an effective reaction. Have a look at this one over here. You have to pull them out pretty quickly. We've got some neutralizing at the moment. These will be left to rest for a few days and cure. Oh, I mean, honestly, look at that. Just pull that up, Stella. Oh my goodness. Really, such high quality. Let's just open this up. Oops, you didn't see that. Over here, last one. So with this print, we got the 7 pieces that we wanted. Oh my goodness, honestly. For the lining of a suit or a pant, I mean, honestly, it can go anyway. And once again, the blanket that we cushioned in between, just to add the cushioning to get the contact prints. There we go. That's our rust machine in action.